Chainlink is going to head to 29 USD dollar right now. So guys, in this video, I'm talking about the Chainlink. What's the price changes occurring in the Chainlink. Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, please click the subscribe button now for more news and updates videos about Chainlink. Chainlink is the fastest moving cryptocurrencies in the market, and a lot of people are also investing in a Chainlink, and a lot of people also want to invest in a Chainlink, but they are confused that when they buy a Chainlink. So guys, first of all, for those people who want to buy Chainlink right now, so I think it is a perfect time to buy Chainlink. Because you can see here guys that in annuities the whole changes is positive. So guys, from the changes, that's clear that every day the price is increasing, and if the price is increasing, so that means that you're getting profit every day. Now 28.94 USD dollar is the currently price of the Chainlink in the market. Furthermore, you can see last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, the whole changes of the Chainlink in the market is going positive. So that's why I'm very happy today to see this kind of changes. Now let me show you the price chart of the Chainlink. You can see here, really appreciate Chainlink for investment from the July. You can see here gradually, oh my god, just look here, 15 USD dollar on the 22 July. The price of Chainlink is 15 USD dollar, and today, and in nowadays, I also told you that 29, they are going to hit 29 USD dollar right now. So approximately a very huge profit occur in the Chainlink. Very profitable coin in the market. If you want to buy, very good idea. Anyways guys, what is your prediction? What is your opinion about Chainlink? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel.